I am Monica from IELTS 9. So here we will be doing this reading passage. That reading passage name is The History of Bicycle. And one thing I want to say here, whatever the IELTS reading passage is available relating to history of anything, history of coffee, history of silk. So many passages are available. So do all those passages relating to any history. Okay, so every month there is one passage relating to history. So don't leave any passage relating to history. So do it, and we will be doing this reading. Practice with me, do it with me, you will get benefit definitely. And I will tell you side by side, I will be telling you IELTS reading tips and tricks. Why I am reading so fast? Because in actual exam also, in actual practice also, you should also read fastly or speedily. Okay, so I will not be reading anything here. Straight away I will go to the questions. So first type of question we have, complete the sentences, choose no more than 3 words. It means here we can use one word also in answer sheet for filling this blanks. We can use 2 words also, and we can use 3 words also. And second type of question we have true false not given. Third type of question is complete the sentences, same instruction, no more than 3 words. See this, complete the sentences, no more than 3 words. So I will start my reading passage from first type of question. You also do it with me. How? I will show it to. First I will be showing you the questions, and then we will go to the paragraphs, and you also find the location and answers with me. Okay, so I will just read the sentence sentence, and then I will just mark my keyword, and then those keywords will take me to the location of the question statement in the passage. So in the invention of bicycle took part not only individual or country, okay, but the world in general during the dash years. Okay, years. So here tip here, whenever you have fill in the blanks, the words before and after the blank, 50-60% you will get answer from these words. Okay, so you will get correct answer. Scotland, I can see here Scotland is also different word, and 1800. So let's find Scotland and 1800, and definitely we will get individual or country also. Years, 1800, Scotland and years. So these are the words we can easily locate in any paragraph. Okay, that's why I have selected these. So here the invention invented is there by one individual or one country. Individual or country is also there. But the world in general during years. So years, it took years word is here. See this. Okay, and it took nearly 100 years and many individuals for the modern bicycle. So 100 years here also. And we were looking for Scotland. I can see Scotland here in 1800. So we are at the right position. So this is the second sentence. Here we have got, it means first question location is just above that. So we have already got the location. In the invention of the bicycle took part not only one individual or the country, but the world in general during the dash year. One individual or the country, it took nearly 100 years. So years is there here also, at both places 100 word is there. So now point here is whether you are going to write this 100 like this. No, you have to write this 100 into English. Like how? I will just show it to HUNDRED. You should not write the word like this one, because this is figure, and the instruction says no more than 3 words. So if you write figure number, then it will be wrong answer. So here we should write 100. In English, in words, we have to write this 100. Now second question location, we have got 1800 and Scotland. This invention was firstly found in Scotland and was known as this. So this word is also there. So they were not resemble to today's bicycle, and they had 2 wheels. 2 wheels is also there, but they had no pedals. So we will just write here no pedals. So now third question, third fill in the blanks. So soon a French inventor added pedals to the front wheel. Okay, however, because of their difficulty in riding, nobody used them in daily life, and they were accepted as dash. Okay, so this line is we have selected the second from here, this paragraph. And now French word is here. French inventor added pedals to the front wheel. Front wheel is also there. However is also there. Was hard. However, same thing, their difficulty in riding, nobody used them in daily life. See this. However, pedaling was hard because this were very heavy. The framework was made of solid steel tubes and made wheels were covered with steels. Okay, but what we are going to find, because of their difficulty in riding, nobody used them in daily life. So daily life, even so, this were popular among rich young people who raised them in Paris ranks. Okay, they were accepted as. Okay, nothing is there. Let's read next paragraph. Because of the were so hard, because of their difficulty in riding, nobody used them in daily life. People, because of the so hard to ride, nobody thought about using them for transportation. People didn't ride velocipedes to the market or to their job. Instead, people thought this were just toys. See this, and nobody used them in daily life. Okay, and they were accepted as we can use it, were toys. So we can write here toys. And now next 1870 is here. I can see in next paragraph, manufacturers in America found that this invention is popular. American manufacturers saw that velocipedes were very popular overseas. Popular word is here. So I am using this word, the word before blank. Popular overseas we can write here. Popular overseas. But within the difference, framework were made from, framework word is here. I can see from hollow steel tubes. So from hollow steel tubes, because in instructions we have been provided we can use no more than 3 words. Okay, so we will be writing hollow steel tubes, we can write here. So I have written hollow steel tubes. So that is a guarantee that if you have given this kind of instruction, definitely there will be 1 or 2 fill in the blanks about 3 words. Okay, now coming to 6 number question. Now this paragraph we have done. Now I have to look for 6 number question. So after that, soon the British inventors found the method which can make pedaling more efficient to turn pedals one by one. They designed So I will start reading from here. The safer bicycle was invented by Americans. They designed the rear word is important. Let's find this rear word. So British word is here in this paragraph and we are looking for Americans also. They designed the rear. So I am looking for rear word. Front wheel is there. No, here no American word is there. So American manufacturer, American word is here. The safer was invented by Americans. They designed the rear. Let's find this rear word actually. Safer bicycle. Yeah, safer bicycle is here. See this. I am looking for rear word is here. See this. Okay, they designed the rear dash which minimized the danger of falling and injuring. Okay. Mechanism is in larger rear to wheel. It would be impossible for a rider to pedal so engineers designed a system of foot levers. By pressing first the right and then metal bar and down, this bar turned the rear axle. See this rear word is there and fill in the blank is there. It means we can write here axle. So here rear word here was also there in this sentence, but we were looking for this minimized word is also here. See this minimized. That's why I have selected this rear axle word I have selected. Okay. Now fill in. Now true false not given is there. And now we will not be reading anything because we have got our location. Now 7 to 10 true false not given. So how to do true false not given? It's important. You should learn the strategy. First we will read the question statement and then we will understand the meaning. We will come out its 1 or 2 keywords and then we will try to match the meaning. If the meaning is matching, means this question statement as well as the paragraph information, if it is matching properly, then true. If it is giving some contradiction kind of thing. Okay, instead of Americans, if they have written in the passage Britishers, then contradiction will be there, means false. And if nothing is given about who has invented, who was the bicycle was invented by who, American, Britishers and all, then not given will be there. The bicycle was invented by Americans only. Okay, if it is invented by Americans only, then definitely true. Now 8th also we can read, it was too hard to lead the, this word we know where it is. Okay, so first we will find this. Now question here, we have left 2 more paragraphs. From where we should look? We will start finding this location from the first paragraph only. See, this is my first paragraph and I am looking for, so I am looking for Americans. So invention they are talking about here in 100 years. We know, we have already read this paragraph. And bicycles first appeared in Scotland in the early 1800 and were okay. So French inventor also they are talking. So French, Scotland, all are in European continent. Okay, Europe continent. So we can't say, so American only is wrong information. So we will just mark it false. So it means bicycle was invented by, because here it is given bicycles first appeared in Scotland and then French inventor. It means they are not Americans, and here it is given American only, that's why it is false. Okay, so next is it was too hard to lead this. So this word is this, here it is. Okay, so now we will just, hard word is also here. It was too hard to lead the velocipedes due to heaviness, due to their heaviness. If it is too hard to lead this due to heaviness, then true. And if it is too soft, too easy to lead this, then it is false. Okay. Their vehicles, riders use their feet to run the pedals. However, pedaling was hard. Okay, because velocipedes were very heavy. So everything is matching. We can mark it true. Got it? Now 9th number. The alteration means change of velocipedes. So doesn't matter if I am just pronouncing it wrong, because nothing to do with my IELTS marks, IELTS reading practice. We are solving reading only. Made the life of people much more easy. The alteration means change of this, made the life of people much more easy. Okay. As we have already read, it was not easy to ride. It was so hard to rise. No one thought about using them for transportation. People didn't ride to the market or their jobs. Instead, people think as it just twice. So they have not described anything about whether this has made the life of people much more easy or difficult. So we will mark it not given. Now next question, 10th number. The changes by British inventors, changes means some alteration you can say, by British inventors altered the wheels to make pedaling more efficient. If the changes done by this British inventors, pedaling more efficient, then true. If the changes done by some other inventors, then definitely it will be false. And if they are not talking about alteration, the wheels to make pedaling more efficient or difficult and all, then not given will be there. Okay, so British word I can see here in this paragraph. See this. So we have read this paragraph for the 9th question. Okay, means we have just analyzed the paragraph, we have read, but we couldn't get the location, but that's why it was not given. So changes by British engineers altered the wheels to make pedaling more efficient. Exact line is given. See this, exact same what we were looking. The changes by British inventors altered the wheels to make pedaling more efficient. So that means true. And if you have less time at the end of the reading passage 3, whatever the passage at the end you are doing it, if you have less time, then just mark it all true answers. But here one thing I want to say, so it is easy to recognize not given. So like whatever comparison is there, more than, less than, and so these words are there, they are 99% not given statements are there. Here see this, more than, it is more, means they are comparing the things. So this is not given, that's why. Okay, so at the end, if you do not have time, please mark all true. So definitely you will get two marks, because here there are two true answers, and this not given is easy to recognize. Okay, now complete the sentences. The British inventors. So how to do these? Same fill in the blanks type you can say. The British inventors concluded that if the front wheel were large, the bicycle would travel a comparatively long distance. Okay, yes, we have to find the answer. British inventors concluded front wheel were large. Front wheel paragraph, we know it, where we have done. So we are looking for the British inventors concluded. So here concluded, if the front wheel. So front wheel I can see here, and yeah, front wheel is here also. You can see inventors, they saw, okay, when a rider turned the pedals once, the front wheel turned once. Okay, if the front wheel was small, okay, if the front wheel, same location is there, was small, were large, the bicycle would travel a comparatively long distance. The bicycle traveled just a small distance with each turn. They reasoned that if the front, okay, this is the location, I think. They reasoned means, okay, now this is, they concluded that if the front wheel was same exact was were large, the bicycle would travel a greater distance, comparatively greater distance. So what is the answer? The bicycle would travel, they made the rear wheel small. Its primary purpose to help rider balance. Balancing was hard. Nothing is given. Okay, so let's not waste time, because I have read everything. You can also read it for finding the answer. So this is the location, everything we have got, but here the filling the blanks is here. If the front wheel were large. So here nothing is given, nothing, they have not given any clue. I have read. Now let's move to 12th. I will tell this answer at the end. Americans engineers. So it is in the next paragraph. See this. American manufacturers designed a system of dash which was driven by, okay, what they have designed, manufacturer once tried to design a better bicycle. Their goal was to make a safer bicycle. They substituted a small wheel for giant wheel and put the driving mechanism word is here, designed a system of in a larger rear to wheel. It would be impossible rear wheel, so engineers designed a system of, okay, designed word is same word I have got, of foot lever. So here we can just system of foot lever we can just write. This location we have got exact. Okay, American, they have started the word from here, American manufacturers, and designed a system, exact thing we have got. Okay, now 13, the last but not the least alteration in creating of modern bicycle was making two wheels equal in size using the, okay, the inherent, okay, so this next paragraph is also there. The British altered the designed one last time. It means that is the alteration in creating modern. So I have to look modern bicycle. Subsequent improvements such as brakes, rubber. So what we are looking, but not least alteration in creating of modern bicycle was using the two wheels equal in size. Okay, so equal in size, here I can see this word, see this. So it means that is the creating a mechanism that uses a chain to turn the modern, making wheels in equal, and using the dash to spin the rear wheel, using the, that, oh, uses word is here, uses a chain to spin the, so it means here chain will come. And what will come for this? So no one can guess this answer actually, the British, because this also, if I have to, if I am doing it genuine practice, I mean to say if I am doing practice, so definitely this I will not be able to find it. But yes, now I will be telling you the answer. British inventors, they are talking about this here. If the front wheel were large, so this we have got the location here. If the front wheel were larger, the bicycle would travel a greater distance. So everything we have got. So here it means front wheel size they are talking about were large. This is the answer.